1 Orlando Pirates, 1 Siwelele FC. Sanibona bafethu uvane. So namhlanje sokhuluma le game ade siyibuka namhlanje. Ngizokhuluma ama positives nama negatives egame ade siyibuka namhlanje bafethu ama positives akhona kule game le and now futhi ama negatives akhona kule game. Orlando Pirates idrope ama points idlala home. Idrope ama point idlala home. Remember ke lama point abaluleke kakhulu. Abalekile lama point lawo adrope nje 2 points. So right now bashiya iMamelodi Sundowns with point elilodwa and iMamelodi Sundowns ine game in hand. Nesgame bayidlala iSundowns iyodlala against iMarumo Gallants. So ngizokhuluma nje ngale game le. First of all, yabona le game bafethu. Le game le mina ngokwami I wouldn't say iOrlando Pirates idlale kabi. Kule game le Orlando Pirates they did their best. They did their best. I will explain what is going on with this Orlando Pirates team. Yini eshodayo kule team yeOrlando Pirates. Abajita they did their best in this game. Yabo. So ngizoqala nje nge-approach indlela ucoach ayi-approach ngakhona le game. Uma sobheka i-approach yethu le game siqala ngoSipho Chain, saqala ngoSiyema, saqala ngoSibisi, saqala ngoNdaba with uSibelebele. Yabo i-back four yethu ithe ukushintsha kancane sayishintshisa ngobani ngoNdaba. Mase saye eswini nakhona sishintshe ngomdlalo oyi1. Umfokeng uqalile namhlanje zo number 10 kodwa ke kwathi uTito wathi umjida akahlala ebenchini. Yabo isisu siqhubekile sabe triple M. Mase usiya kuma forwards uMbuthuma started this game as number 9 with Moremi and Osuna Police. Moremi scored a beautiful goal. So ngizoqala ke nje i-approach ya coach uyibona le approach lokuthi cha la siyawudinga ngempela u3 points. Kubaleka kakhulu siuthole u3 points. Le scheme lesi besiqini kakhulu nje ukusibona nje ischeme. So first half yami ngizoqala nje nge-first half. Yabona bafethu i-first half la le game le. Ngizontshela nje nge-first half. I was really disappointed with Moremi bafethu. Umjida uthole ama chances amabili igame isaqala. Bengasha ishu 6 minutes or even 5 minutes umjida amathuba wangawasebenzisa. Umjida unaso ispeed. Yabo sometimes ispeed sakhe kumele athi ukulimita kancane because ipace anayo uyahluleka ukutime ipace yakhe. Yabo ipace ya Moremi ayideserve like udinga ukuthi urane kakhulu uma udlala more central because lawa maphasi ade wathola more central. Umjida ubebuya abe fast nebhola akumele alithole. Isidingo singekho. Kanti kumele ubhola ulirelaxele. Yabo ibhola ulirelaxele ulithimele kahle ukuze uzokwazi ukulithole kahle. Mase uyakwazi usebenzisa amathuba akho. Yabo umjida ke akwazanga ukwasebenzisa lawo mathuba lawo which is something engizokhuluma kakhulu ngayo kule video le amathuba. And ithi made sidlala nawo bafethu iSiwelele. For me iSiwelele le team le ade very organized. Even the first 11 ya. If you saw indlela abaline up ngayo bafethu abadlala abanje ngoNyiko Mobi neWorapo abajida bebemnandi kakhulu. Ricardo Goss, what a goalkeeper bafethu Ricardo Goss. You have to give him his flowers. Makamani umjida uswini bemnandi bafethu Makhowane nabo bebemnandi abajida wo2 eswini. Yabo mase sisi front Vincent Pule, Potsane, Saile, Ohizu. Look at this. These guys bafethu. These guys were very good up front. So le scheme besi solid kakhulu. Yabo besiyazi into esiyoyenza kuOrlando Pirates. Into engiyithandile ngeSiwelele, iSiwelele bafethu asihlalanga emuva kakhulu. Besikwazi ukuthi siyinikeze Orlando Pirates igame. Yabo besikwazi siyinikeze Orlando Pirates igame. It was a pound for pound. It was a pound for pound type of game. You knew ukuthi iSiwelele indlela esiqine ngakhona sizokwazi ukuthi siyinikeze Orlando Pirates inkinga besingahlali kakhulu emuva. Yabo so even nalela goal abalitholile it was a very careless mistake eyenziwe uNdaba lapha abafethu and umjida angimgxeka kakhulu. Umjida uwenzile umsebenzi wakhe namhlanje uNdaba uwenzile umsebenzi wakhe ku first half. Yabo ubeshaya ubasic kakhulu uNdaba mfethu. Into esidinga ku wing back uyaphambili ushaye icross yonke bengidinga kuNdaba and uyideliverile. Yabo it's a pity ukuthi udalele ya mistake leyana bafethu kwaseke kudaleka igoal. Yabo umjida I hope uzoqina la ekhona. Umjida udlale kahle emehlweni nami. Angibonile umjida lo umbatha namhlanje umbathe limala kancane. Was very concerned regarding uTalente Mbatha ukumbona ethi idolo lakhe liyangwarisha. Yabo as far as I like uTalente Mbatha but ke going forward I so wish ukuthi singakwazi ukuthi umjida singamdlalisa u90 minutes uzophele. Yabo sithi kumshintsha kancane because the more simfaka kakhulu umjida ozogcina eselimala kakhulu. Yabo kanti ke asifuna ukulahlekela umbatha siyamdinga kakhulu kule game. Abafethu uGoss bafethu yabona abafethu Ricardo Goss kule game le. Mina I can say Orlando Pirates regarding my negatives. Kuma negatives I can say Orlando Pirates amathuba iwasebenzisa. Yabo iwasebenzisa amathuba, and today we made Ricardo Gous look like a world class goalkeeper. Yabo, and futhi ngeke ngithuke umjida mase abe man of the match kwigame namhlanje. I wouldn't be surprised because Umchida, he was very good against Orlando Pirates. Maningi ama saves awenzile. If Ricardo Gous ubengekho namhlanje, Orlando Pirates ngabe ikwazile ukuthi mhlambe iwine ngo-5-1, 7-1, because uma ungasubheka ama-stats esibenayo namhlanje bafethu, look at the total shots i-Orlando Pirates ebenayo. We're 27 total shots, and ama-shot on target esibenayo, sibena ama-shot on target ayi-12. Imagine bafethu iswelele sibena ama-shot awu-3, saba ne-shot on target ayi-1, and leyo shot on target ikwazile ukuthi ingene epalini lapha. So lokho ngempela bafethu kuyakutshela nje ukuthi Orlando Pirates ibelifuna kakhulu igoli. 12 shots on target. That tells you to Ricardo Gous ubevimba impela lapha emuva. Indlela siqale ngakhona second half ingijabulise kakhulu. Second half ingijabulise kakhulu because simbonile uMorem bafethu ekora igoli elihle kakhulu. Mahopa wamoshi igoli mfethu. Mahopa wamoshi igola, angi-understand wenze njani lapha, ethola u-1-on-1 umjida shaya ibhola phezulu kwamapali. Yabo uMahopa ngiyamthanda impela, but when it comes to epalini ingathi ngehlisa umoya mfethu, ehlisa umoya athi ukurelaxa, yabo asha usimple, sha ubasic usimple, sha inet khona la ethole khona ibhola uMahopa elithatha ku Ricardo Gous. Yabo angazi uliphasela, I think uliphasela uMorem olsha wide. Enye izinto futhi le ngifuna ukuyiraise, why are we wasting ama chances? That is the only negative enginayo regarding igame namhlanje. Why are we wasting ama chances? Yabona ucoach awukwazi even ukumblame ucoach kuma situations akanje. Awukwazi ukumblame, and you cannot point fingers and point ukuthi lo abdlali lo uyawaboza ama chances. The whole team is missing ama clear cut chances. If you can never mind the super chain, but the whole team, the whole players, even Osmisi, Abo Siema, Abo Spelebele, Abo Dion Hoto, Abo Umbata namhlanje, there were many chances. I'm not saying Umbata kumele ashute ekude akora, but umbonile na umshita ezama, but athi sihlule ukora. Yabo omamakhehleni makhawula bazame ukhahlela bandla ngazi Nkosi yami, mase siye komfuking athi bezama bajida. There was that one chance umfuking ayitholile umjida wangakwazi ukuthi akore mfethu. There were many chances today, but we failed to score those goals. Yabo, and when we look at the opposing side, abadlali edlala nabo nama team eswa challenge ukuthi siyithathe le league le, iMamelodi Sundowns imiwathola amathuba iyawasebenzisa, and that should be a worrying factor. That should be a worrying factor for me. Orlando Pirates kumele ilungise kuma chances. We must fix our chances, because if we are not fixing the chances, we will never win the league if we continue like this. Last season it was like this. Not last season le sisaqhubeka kule nto eyi-1. Why are we not scoring our chances? We went and bought a striker cause sifuna ukora amagoli, but again we are still doing the same thing. Where is the striker coach? I remember Jose Rivero had a striker coach. Leso striker coach sahamba sabuyela le Europe. Why are we not signing a striker coach also teacher abadlali ukuthi kufinishwa kanjani? Because it seems like these players are missing that one thing. Bola, sadlali bola, playing beautiful football, but that one thing